Keras embedding layer masking. Why does input_dim need to be vertical bar vocabulary vertical bar +2? In the keras docs for embedding, this URL, the explanation given for mask_0 is mask_0, whether or not the input value 0 is a special padding value that should be masked out. This is useful when using recurrent layers which may take variable length input. If this is true, then all subsequent layers in the model need to support masking or an exception will be raised. If mask_0 is set to true, as a consequence, index 0 cannot be used in the vocabulary, input_dim should equal vertical bar vocabulary vertical bar +2. Why does input_dim need to be 2 plus number of words in vocabulary? Assuming 0 is masked and can't be used, shouldn't it just be 1 plus number of words? What is the other extra entry for?
I believe the docs are a bit misleading there. In the normal case you are mapping your n input data indices, 0, 1, 2, n1, to vectors, so your input_dim should be as many elements as you have. An equivalent, but slightly confusing, way to say this, and the way the docs do, is to say 1 plus maximum integer index occurring in the input data. If you enable masking, value 0 is treated differently, so you increment your n indices by 1, 0, 1, 2, n1, n, thus you need. Or alternatively, the docs become especially confusing here as they say input_dim should equal vertical bar vocabulary vertical bar +2. Where I would interpret vertical bar x vertical bar as the cardinality of a set, equivalent to len x, but the authors seem to mean 2 plus maximum integer index occurring in the input data.
Because the input_dim already is +1 of the vocabulary, so you just add another +1 for the 0 and get the +2. Input_dim, int greater than 0. Size of the vocabulary, EA. 1 plus maximum integer index occurring in the input data.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.